Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add another save slot to your garden and grow a garden. So basically there is another one. If you go to the mailbox, press view, there is a purchase slot option. You can purchase this for either 100 trillion shekels or 399 Robux. I'm just going to use shekels for it, and as you can see, I have now 4 save slots. I think there is one more again in the Ascension store. Let me see if there is any. Okay, apparently there's only 4 slots. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!